Good day, everyone. Good day, guys. My name is Brostin. You can follow me on YouTube, double H. Brostin. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and also share my video. Our topic of today is trasporto de petizioni e animale su e veicoli. Here we go. Numero de petizioni trasporto su un veicolo è indicato sulla carta di circolazione. The number of the car that you can board in your car is written on on the document of the car, libretto. Su autovetture può essere il mezzo di 9. Autovettura è massimo di 9, compreso il conducente. Autoventura è massimo 9. You can only board 9 people. Compreso il conducente with the driver 9. If you are doing this exercise, always remember that one. With the driver is 9. It cannot be more than 9. Means minus the driver, Autoventura can board 8 people. Plus the driver is 9. La carta di circolazione indicato anche il numero di persone trasportabili sulla sedere interiore in un veicolo. Even the documents of the car, they indicate the numbers of the people that you can transport with that car. Per gli autocarri, il massimo di 3 autocarri. Autocarri is those cars that have only seat. Their back is to carry load. That is autocarri. You can only board 2 people. 2 people plus the driver will be 3. Plus the driver, it will be 3. Always remember that. Autoventura 9, compreso il conducente. With the driver 9, autoventura. Autocarri with the driver 3. Let's go ahead. Tutto passeggeri devi riprendere posti un modo di non limitare la libertà del movimento della conducente e di non impedire la visibilità. What is he talking about? It says that all the passengers will stay on their seat comfortable, and the driver also will be comfortable, and he should be free to move whenever he wants to move inside the car, and also they should not block the visibility, the view of the driving. Sul veicolo è consentito trasportare un solo animale domestico in libato perché no, perché non costituisca inquinamento o pericolo. È consentito anche trasportare più di uno. It's talking about in case of you want to board an animal, just one alone, domestic animal, just one alone. Let me say pet, dog or cat, just one alone inside the car. If it is alone, it will not have another one to play with, so that they will not distract. They will not distract the driver. But if it is more than one, animale domestico liberato anche non è costituito inquinamento e il pericolo. È consentito anche trasporto più di uno if it is more than one. If it is more than one, pochi custoditi in gabbia o nel vano posteriore oppositamente diviso del rete. If it is more than one, you must look for a special cage to put them inside. In case of they are playing, it will not destroy the passenger because it's inside the gabia, the cage, a special cage. Let's go to the next one. Transporto su motocicli. Motocicli, they are talking about back. Transporto su motocicli. Su motocicli è possibile trasportare un passeggero solo se si posti per il passeggero è indicato sulla carta di circolazione. You understand? If it is indicated in your on your paper, on the paper of the car, you can transport one person. Indicato sulla carta di circolazione è comunque è vietato il trasporto dei minori hanno 5. Below 5 years, you cannot board them on bike. Below 5 years, you cannot board them on bike. È consentito trasporto animale è custodiato in opposita gabbia. In case of you want to transport pets, you must put them in a special cage. The transport of the children under age of 5. It is forbidden to transport children under age of 5 is prohibited. The transport of animals is permitted if kept in a special cage. Let's go ahead. È permesso trasportare un carico, ma devi essere sistemato in modo di non spingere lontanamente da altra 50 cm e evitando trasportare oggetti che non sia solidamente assicurati o che impediscano o limiti dei visibili e conducente. You cannot transport a bike. He's talking about bike now. Cannot transport a load that is more than 100. That is more than 50 cm. And also, it is forbidden to transport a load that is not stable, that you don't even trust if you can be able to transport it to the place we are going. It might fall on the road. That is what he's talking about. A load that is not secured or impeded or limited the visibility, or maybe your view, it covered your view. It is forbidden to transport them. È vietato al conducente e motocicli trainare e farsi trainare un altro veicolo. What is he talking about? Motorcycle cannot transport another motorcycle or ultra vehicle. That is what he's talking about. Always remember, if you are exercising yourself, always remember all these things. A motorcycle cannot transport another motorcycle, and it cannot transport something that is a goods that is more than 150 cm. It cannot transport a children that is below 5 years. Always keep all these things. That is all about the question. If you are doing your exercise, you'll be seeing those questions. Can a motorcycle transport a child that is below 5 years? Is fatso. Can a motorcycle transport another motorcycle or bicycle? Is fatso. Let's go ahead. Carico devi essere sistemato. This is carico, load. Carico devi essere sistemato sugli autoveicoli in modo di evitare il caduto, del carico stesso. What is he talking about? You must systemize your load so that it will not fall on the road. The loads must be placed on the vehicle in such a way as to avoid load himself falling. Must systemize it not to fall. No, diminuire la visibilità della conducente o de impedire la libertà del movimento della guida. It must not block the view of the driver. It must not block the view of the driver and the movement of the driver. Non mascherare la dispositivi di eliminazioni o di segnalazioni visiva nella targa o segna tutto col braccio. You understand? You must not load your car to the extent it will block the targa of your car. The targa means the number of the car. You must not block it or block your trafficator signs, your reflector. You must not block it. You must let them free. In case of you are driving, you can be able to give sign that you are going to left. The car behind you will notice that this person is going to left. When you block it with load, is a very big problem for the car that behind you that it will quickly understand that you are going to your left. That is the explanation here. Esempio, è veicolo senza motore, cari bicicletta e la compromettere la stabilità del veicolo. You see, those one that board bicycle, you see, at the back of the car. After they board it, they will still add this sign to the back. Add this sign to the back, and you must able to see the trafficator and the tagger. Those one is referring to those one. Fare. Indicato nella carta di circolazione, non spoggiare nella parte posteriore di più di 13 della lunghezza del veicolo. Remember that word, più di 13. If you are exercising yourself, always remember, you must not carry load that is more than più di 13, lunghezza del veicolo. Più di 13 is falso. 13, vero. Più di, if it is longer than 13, is falso. But if it is below, is vero. Is vero. Più di 3 dell'lunghezza del veicolo. La spazio posteriore deve essere segnalata con un pannello retroriflente e striscia bianca ed rossa. Always, if you carry a load, always remember this panel, you must place it at the back. It's either you put it at the left and right, or you put it at the back, so that the car behind you will quickly notice that this car is with load. That is what it means. And the color, always remember, is black, is white and red. Always remember, is white and red. The carica panel is white and red, because there are many panels like this. Always keep this one white and red. Let's go ahead. Pannello per carichi sfuggenti. They want to talk about the pannello now. Pannello per ricarica sfuggenti. Il pannello del materiale retroriflente segnala un carico di sporgi in senso longitudinale, ciò è il senso della lunghezza della parte posteriore del veicolo. What is he talking about? The load must be placed on a vehicle as such. What is he talking about? He's talking about, now, if you load your car, or you board a bicycle, you attach bicycle to your car, even at the up or the posterior, the back of the car, you must put this sign for people to know that you are with load at the two edge of the load. That is what he's talking about. Della parte posteriore del veicolo. Su usato è un caso in cui carica spoggi. Whenever you recarica your load that is Whenever you recaricate your load, you must always put this symbol, Penelope Kariki, attach it to it so that people know that you carried a load. So, usato in ogni caso è carico sporgente, anche se è poco. Even though the load is small, you must attach it to it. Anche espoggenza non è superiore a 13. Even the load is not more than 13, 13, lunghezza è 13, long is not 13. You must also put the pane, cioè 30%. Della lunghezza del veicolo è carico sia è costituito da cose indivisibili come palo o travi. Se sistemato è strumenta del carico sporgenti in modo che sia sempre bene visibile. You must systemize this panel. You must systemize this panel in a way whereby it will be visible. It will be visible. Se è carico sponge per intera lunghezza della parte posteriore del veicolo. Il pannello in figura devono essere due. It must be two. You place one at your left, at your side, so that the visible will be so clear. It will be very, very visible. Posti trasversalmente la strumenta del carico. Il pannello può anche essere messo sul veicolo gusto quando vengono trainati e non funziona la luce di emergenza. What is luce di emergenza? Is talking about four flector, that triangle you press inside your car. All of your flector, your trafficator, all of them will be working. If you want to train another car, maybe the fourth trafficator is not working. You must on those ones so that the car behind you will notice that this car is on emergency. So if the fourth trafficator is not working, you will also use this panel. Place it at the two edge. In tutti in caso avvita la conducente che stanno dentro il veicolo se qui è applicato a circolare con particular prudenza, so that they will take caution to overtake you. When they see this panel, they will know, yes, this car is on emergency. They will take caution to overtake you. Sbagliato che dire che chi va in mezzo anche il lato quando è carico sponge fazzo, altra lunghezza è veicolo. Chi va in mezzo dentro è particolare tipo è veicolo e anche essere sostituire una bandiera o colore fazzo. What is it talking about? Just talking about you might use another thing to indicate or color something for people to know that you are on emergency or you carry a load. That question is fazzo. Il pannello Orenciani per trasporto merci pericolo. You see, there is a trick here. Whenever you hear merci pericolo, they are talking about this panel. Merci pericolo, they are talking about this panel. Let's go ahead. Signalano e veicolo adebiti e trasporto del merci pericolo devono essere fissati davanti e dentro dei veicoli. The report vehicles used for transport of dangerous goods, they must be fixed at the front of rear of the vehicle. Sono integrati con due serie di numero indicato tipo di pericolo. Tipo di pericolo. They integrate with two series of number indicating the type of the danger of the goods that car is carried. If it is se esplosivo acquinamento, ECC, o la materia trasportata se benzina, gasolio. If it is explosive or polluted, and the material transport, if it is petrol or diesel. That is why it has two numbers. This one, there is another one number. If it is petrol or diesel, always remember marchi pericoli. Okay, let's see this. È sbagliato dire che segnalano carichi sporgenti pericolo. Falso. Did you know why it's falso? Sporgenti pericolo. If you are doing your exercise, sporgenti pericolo is falso. Marchi pericolo, vero. It's talking about marchi pericolo. That's why they use this orange panel. Marchi pericolo. Marchi pericolo. Sporgenti pericolo, falso. Per i carichi sporgenti sulla se uso e pannello, falso. That is the wrong answer. We are going to stop here today. This is the second part of this teaching. The last part, I'll take it other time. Have a nice day. Always remember to study all the time. Study is the key. Have a nice day and God bless.